Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to Tajweed lesson. Today we are going to talk about rules of Laam Sakinah. So this is the letter Lam. Please review the characters of the letter Lam and the articulation point of the letter Lam in previous lessons. Now, what is the Laam Sakinah? What is Laam Sakinah mean? Laam Sakinah is the Lam which has no fatha or dhamma or kasra. So it is Lam which has no fatha on top like this, or dhamma or kasra. So like this. So this one is not Laam Sakinah because it has fatha, and Lam with fatha is la, and Lam with dhamma is lu, and this is lu, and this has kasra, this is li. So these lambs, this one and this one and this one are not Laam Sakinah. Laam Sakinah may show this sign of sukoon on top, or it may not show any sign like this. This is Laam Sakinah. So Laam Sakinah, you see Laam Sakinah in the Holy Quran either like this one with this sign on top, or it may be like this with no sign on top at all, and this we call Lam Mu'arra or naked, like this, with no fatha, dhamma or kasra or the sign of sukoon on top. Okay? Now, types of Laam Sakinah. Laam Sakinah is divided into 4 types. Lam of the definite article, al, which comes before the noun, and this equal to the in English, and Lam of the noun, and Lam of the verb, and Lam of the participle, and Lam of the command. So we are going to talk about each type. In this video, we are going to talk about Lam of the definite article, al, only this type. So, Lam of the definite article, al, is called Lam at-Ta'rif. This is called Lam at-Ta'rif. It is equal to the in English. And it has 2 rules. It is either izhar, means we have to pronounce it, or merge. Merge is idgham. It is not pronounced. So it has only 2 rules. Either izhar, means it has to be pronounced, or merge, it has to be silent, not pronounced. Here you can see this is the moon in English, and in Arabic it is Al-Qamar. Al-Qamar. So I pronounce the Lam. This is al, the definite article of definite article. This is al. So the Lam of al is always preceded by this Hamza. We called it Hamzat al-Wasl. And this is Lam in Al-Qamar. We pronounce Al-Qamar. So it is pronounced. And here is Ash-Shams. You can see here Ash-Shams, the sun. Ash-Shams. This is the sun in Arabic is Ash-Shams. Here is the al, but we do not pronounce the Lam here. We do not pronounce it. We say Ash-Shams. It is not pronounced. So rules of Lam of the definite article al is called Lam at-Ta'rif. And Lam at-Ta'rif, like if you say Al-Qamar, it is pronounced. This is Al-Qamar. If we say Ash-Shams, here it is not pronounced at all. So we call the one pronounced in here in Al-Qamar, we say it Laam Qamaryiah. We call this Laam Qamaryiah. And any Lam which you pronounce, we will call it Laam Qamaryiah, related to this Lam of Al-Qamar. And any Lam which is not pronounced, we will call it Lam Shamsiyah. So here we divide the Lam of al into Lam Qamariyah and Lam Ash-Shamsiyah. So Lam Al-Qamariyah, we have to pronounce it, and Lam Ash-Shamsiyah, we do not pronounce it. Let's see in the Holy Quran, Allah say in Surah Al-Rahman, Ash-Shamsu wal-Qamaru bihusban. Let's see it. This is Surah Al-Rahman. Surah Ar-Rahman. And let's see the Laam Sakinah in Ash-Shams and Al-Qamar. Here Ash-Shams, we do not pronounce the Lam, and Al-Qamar, we pronounce the Lam. And let's see on top of the Lam here, Al-Qamar, you can see the sign of sukoon. So when we pronounce it, you can see the sign of sukoon on top. Here, Al-Qamar on top of the Lam. Here is the sign of sukoon, the very small circle like the head of Ha. And Ash-Shams, you cannot see anything on the Lam, nothing on the Lam. It is nothing on the Lam. Here you cannot see anything on the Lam. So we divide the Lam into Lam Al-Qamaryiah, and the rule of Laam Qamaryiah is izhar. Izhar means we have to pronounce it. And Laam Ash-Shamsiyyah, merge. Merge, we do not pronounce it. Okay? And when it is izhar, you will see the sign of sukoon on top. And when it is merged, you will not see any sign on top. It is naked or mu'arra. Let's see example for rules of Laam Qamaryiah. Laam Qamaryiah. When the Lam is Qamaryiah, when we say Al-Qamar, only Al-Qamar? No. When the Lam is followed by any of these letters, Hamza, Ba, Ghin, Ha, Jim, Kaf, Waw, Kha, Fa, Ain, Qaf, Ya, Mim, and Ta. So when it is followed by any one of these letters, it is Qamaryiah. It is hard. We pronounce the Lam. And in order to be easy, we grouped these letters in a sentence. And we call this sentence, we abghi, this is Hamza, Ba, Ghin, this is Ha, Jim, Kaf, and this is Waw, and this is Qaf, Mim. So we make a sentence, abghi hijjak wa khuffa aqima. Abghi hijjak wa khuffa aqima. So if the Lam is followed by any one of these letters, it is Laam Qamaryiah, and the rule is izhar, means we have to pronounce it, and you will see a circle on top of it, which is the sign of sukoon. Let's see in the Holy Quran. This is Al, and here it is followed by Hamza. By Hamza. Al-Anhar. Al-Anhar. So here you can see the sign of sukoon on top. So let's see other example. Ba. We said abghi hijjak. We saw the Hamza. Now go to the Ba. Here al-birr. Laysa al-birra an tuwallu wujuhakum. Laysa al-birra. This is al-birr. You will see al-birr. We pronounce the Lam. And here, because it is followed by Ba, and you can see the sign of sukoon on top. Okay, al-mashriq, qibal al-mashriq. You see, al-mashriq. Here the Lam is also followed by Mim, because we said abghi hijjak wa khuffa aqimah. Mim is Mim. So when it is followed by Mim, it is also Laam Qamaryiah, and you can see the sign of sukoon on top. Al-Maghrib, the same. Al-Maghrib, this is followed by Mim, so you can see the sign of sukoon on top. And here Al-Bir, you can see the sign of sukoon on top. Other example, we said Abghi, so we can look at the Ghin. Ghin, Al-Ghafur, Innahu huwa al-Ghafur rahim. You will see this many times in the Holy Quran. Al-Ghafur, here Al-Ghafur, here Al-Ghafur again. So in Surah Yusuf, in Surah Al-Qasas, and in Surah Al-Zumar. So here Al-Ghafur, you will see we pronounce the Lam, and it has this sign of sukoon on top. And here the sign of sukoon on top. So it is Laam Qamaryiah, and the rule of Laam Qamaryiah is hard. So the rule of Lam of the definitive article, Qamar, is either izhar or merge. So it is izhar when it is followed by abghi hijjak wa khuffa aqima, and it is merged with the rest of other letters. So abghi hijjak wa khuffa aqima are 14 letters, and the other 14 letters will be merged, and it is called Laam Shamsiyah. Let's take example of Laam Shamsiyah, like الطيبون. Here الطيبون, الطيبون, we did not pronounce the lam. الطيبات, we do not pronounce the lam. So here it is شمسية. الصبر, واستعينوا بالصبر والصلاة. الصبر والصلاة. Here we do not pronounce the lam of الصبر, and we do not pronounce the lam of الصلاة. So this is شمسية. This is lam شمسية because it is like shams. We do not pronounce the lam in الشمس. So الصبر is lam شمسية, and the rule is merge. And الصلاة is lam شمسية, and the rule is merge. But look at here, الخاشعين. If you say here, no. الخاشعين, it is lam قمرية, like القمر. القمر. And go, أبغي حجك وخف عقيمة. وخف. خف means the kha. So when it is followed by kha, this is here, this is قمرية. But الصبر is شمسية. الصلاة شمسية. Here again الصبر, الصلاة, الصابرين. All these lam شمسية, we do not pronounce the lam. Thank you.